Dori Soukup here, founder of InSPAration Management, with another question of the week. This week's question came to us from Mary from Tennessee. Mary's asking, what is the best way to pay a nurse injector? Boy, if I had $1 for every time I get that question asked. Oh my goodness, there are so many ways that people pay right now nurse injectors, and most of them are really the wrong way, because some of them are still paying commissions, which really you're not supposed to. That's considered fee splitting. So you have to really be careful on how you set it up. And so many others are even paying this huge amount hourly, and it's not performance-based compensation. So it truly is all over the place right now. So there is a way to pay them properly, and that's by offering a compensation mix. I don't think anybody should just get paid just per hour. They should really get paid in a variety of ways. They should get paid per hour. They should get bonuses. They should be measured with key performance indicators. They should get benefits. They should get rewards. So now you have a mix of ways to pay them. What I like about paying with a mix compensation model is the fact that they can't really compare it to what they would get down the street. So instead of comparing apples to apples, now you're comparing oranges to apples. So we want to be different than what the competition is actually paying. So the best way to really pay, and this is something actually that we cover during the volume per guest compensation model that we talk about during the Leap Ahead seminar. So I believe in paying a decent hourly rate, but then give them bonuses based on the volume per guest. So how much are they generating for each person that walks into your facility or walks into their room? The higher the volume per guest is, the bigger their bonuses can be. And then we set up measurements, the KPIs, key performance indicators, on retention, hitting the target, number of referrals that they get, number of self-generated clients that they get, cross-marketing opportunities. So then we'll have another bonus based on what they do there. And then you have your rewards. Your rewards could be all the different treatments that you give them too, because that has a high price on it. Just because somebody gives you injections for free, Botox or fillers or whatever, it doesn't mean that you should just pass that on automatically. Those kind of things should also be earned. So when you create that kind of model where you're offering them a nice mix, it's motivational, and it's going to retain them. You can also do profit sharing, so this way they're not jumping to go work for somebody else. So there are so many ways to really structure a smart compensation model that is performance-based, and this is definitely something that I can help you create. You have to be very careful, because if you just pay this high hourly rate and then they're sitting around doing nothing, that will bleed the business very fast, and it will deplete your cash flow. So you have to be very careful, especially if you're just opening and you're not busy. So there's a lot that goes into setting up the compensation model, and don't rely on advice from people that have not done it and it's not proven effective process. So be very careful who you listen to. The VPG model that we teach, we've been teaching for a long time, and we have modified it quite a bit over the years, and it is so good. People that have implemented it absolutely love it. So hope I answered your question. If you need more help, you can always set up a private coaching call or become a member with us, and you'll have access to everything that we offer, so you have the proper structure in your business. All right, thank you so much for your question. And if you too have a question, make sure you send it to Dori at inspirationmanagement.com. Until next time, stay inspired.